What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to do a vlog style video. As you can see, I am in Pavilion Mall. So weird. I am in Pavilion and we're going to do a follow me around, and then after that I'm going to do a haul for you guys to see what we got. So let's go. What? You can't even see anything. Huh? You're already in the video. Try out.
I like it.
Ooh, Almi has some new stuff also. Oh my goodness. But I saw people like... Okay, so that's my outfit for today. Oh, there. Say hello. Peyton. Peyton. Look at the shade range of Wet and Wild. There's like 50 shades of white here. This is Adele's. So nice. And see the prices. Really good though. Ooh. I only have 3 minutes left. No, literally I only have 3 minutes left to record. We only have like 3 minutes. Ooh, sunglasses. I've been waiting for this for like since ever. I'm going to MAC, and you know what that means. Ooh, there's a man over here. Oh, I'm very excited for that thing. You don't have the Patrick Star collaboration now. Where is the Patrick Star collab? Okay, let's go in and ask them. My boobs. She's going to ask about the Patrick Star collab. Oh, isn't this just heaven? Lippies. So they didn't have the Patrick Star collaboration just yet. I'm still waiting for them to come about. Which is, South Africa is always the last to know about these things and get these stuff. And people are looking at me so weirdly, like it's so crazy how they're looking. You're already in the frame, just be in the frame. Let's go look at other makeup here. Let's get into Edgar's. Well, this is our Sephora. This is the Dior Nude Glow. It's so pretty, but it's so glittery. Ooh, we're going to Glam Glow. Ooh, see what I found. Some Iman. Let's try medium deep. Oh gosh, I need another hand for this. Tosh, come on there. Hold there. Gee, thanks. So nice and buttery. You got it? Her color range is fabulous. Well, it could be better, but looks so good. Everything was so expensive. Look at this child, what she's doing. Peyton! Peyton! Me when I want makeup. Literally me. Makeup. It's really expensive in there. Well, nothing new. It's like our Sephora, which is like so expensive. And now we're going into the Visa and see some jewelry. Ooh, how do you like my handchain? I'm living for this color right now. It's so dope. List in the comments below what you would want from here. How dope they have Dr. Brand. Oh my god, Kardashians. I mean, Kardashians. Didn't get anything there, and now we're off to the next store. We got some goodies though. So we got some goodies. But you have to guess what we got, so comment down below what you think I got. And let's go to the next store. This looks so cute. How cute does this look? So good. I want to buy them. Oh, we in Markham's, by the way. Ooh, up to 50% off. I hate these shoes. I mean sandals. These look so good. Adidas. So we had to take a little break because someone is tired. Say hello. Hello. Say where's the makeup. Say hello. Hello. Say hello, world. Hello. Hey guys. So this is the haul. I got some sorbet firming serum mask in ultra lifting. You know, prevention is better than cure. I got this glam glow kit. I just threw the box somewhere, so I was playing with them, and it's so amazing. So it's really nice. A Dr. Wrinkle solution, 140 rand. It's like this thing should pay my bills and my bills just for one sheet mask, but I really wanted to try it out. I saw the other stuff for like 1,300, so whoa, that's pricey. You know, I needed a new Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge. It's like a beauty blender. This is such a dupe. It's so amazing, guys. If you really want, check them out. It's super nice. And it was 104 rand because it's literally on sale right now. So head down to your local Truitt's or Fashini, and you can get this. It's really good, and it's so cheap. Like, oh my god, it's so cheap. So if you watched my previous videos, link in the card and in the description. I love this face wash. I mean this, yeah, face wash, scrub, whatever, but I use it as scrub. I love this so much. And yeah, so this is the Lift Night Cream by L'Oreal Paris. Prevention is better than cure, all I can say. Some wrinkles have been coming up, so I just wanna get rid of them, and maybe these will be nice. And this is the day cream, SPF 30. We all need some SPF. The more the better. Really like this. And I'm so excited to try that out. I love the darker one, but I wanted to try this out. Whoa, that's the name. Yeah, I really wanted to try this out, so let's see how this smells. Okay, so it smells really nice, actually. Oh, it's not like the charcoal. I have the charcoal one, so I wanted to try like the Silver Protect. What does this do? Yeah, this is for body, face, and hair, and I don't recommend it for your face or your hair, but for your body it's good. Yeah, and that's about it. Oh, one more thing. I got MAC Prep and Prime Natural Radiance in yellow. I took them all out of the boxes because it's so annoying when things are in boxes and I couldn't get this packaging opened. But yeah, that's the haul, so check us out! So, just a little bit of a rant. I didn't buy anything in the body shop because the person that was working there, it was so annoying and so rude. Like, as soon as you walked in, she's just like staring at you. And she's looking at you like you didn't even touch anything, but you look like you already stole something. And I so hate that. Like, they're so unprofessional where they're not even friendly, and it's just so not a cool look. So I didn't film in there and I didn't buy anything, although I wanted to buy stuff, but she was like following us around the store and stuff. Like, bitch, you know, I could literally buy all the shit, like, the fuck. And yeah, so it was super annoying and I really didn't like that. And yeah, but no hate to the body shop. Love you guys. We'll definitely go to a different body shop and buy stuff from them. Yeah, don't you just hate when the people that work in the store just follow you around, and like even after they're like, do you need some help? Like, you just like, no, but they're still following you, and like, so annoying. Like, really, so annoying. A little bit of story time. Something worse happened to us, like when we went to another, not a body shop, but a lint store. The guy suspected us of eating stuff, but when he checked the cameras, he looked like a complete ass for saying that we ate something, and it was so annoying, like so unprofessional. But anyway, I hope you guys like this video, and please subscribe and like, comment, share with all your friends and families. So it really helps me out and I really appreciate it. I will see you guys in the next one. So that concludes our follow me around, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!